Creating stunning, high-quality videos no longer requires a fortune in equipment. Thanks to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, you can now record breathtaking content with a device that fits right in the palm of your hand. In this guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about this powerful action camera and how to maximize its capabilities for professional results. Why the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro brings a revolutionary approach to action cameras, offering a sleek design and top-tier video capabilities. Despite looking similar to its predecessor, it introduces significant improvements that make a huge difference in real-world use. Build and design. Compact and durable, the camera maintains a rugged, portable form factor, making it ideal for adventure filming. Waterproof capability. Can be submerged up to 20 meters without additional housing, perfect for underwater shoots. Magnetic mounting system. Securely attach and switch between accessories effortlessly with its powerful magnetic mounting base. Display and controls. Dual OLED screens. Both front and rear displays are OLED, providing superior brightness even under direct sunlight. User-friendly interface. The touchscreen allows for seamless navigation through settings and controls. Quick access buttons. Dedicated power and record buttons make on-the-go filming incredibly efficient. Mastering image and video quality. The Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers outstanding video quality that rivals professional cameras, thanks to its advanced imaging capabilities. Video resolution and frame rates. 4K at 120 FPS. Captures ultra-smooth footage, ideal for slow-motion shots. 24 FPS cinematic mode. Provides a natural, film-like quality for storytelling. Wide field of view, FOV 165-degree coverage allows for immersive shots. Lens and shooting modes. Aperture of f/2.8 ensures excellent low-light performance. Multiple FOV options. Standard mode, 17mm equivalent balanced. Look for general shooting. Wide mode, 12mm equivalent great for underwater or expansive shots. Ultra-wide 11mm equivalent offers extreme immersion for action scenes. Fisheye lens 182-degree FOV adds dynamic, creative distortions to your footage. Advanced color and dynamic range. D-Log M recording. 10-bit color enhances post-production flexibility, allowing for detailed color grading. 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Retains details in both highlights and shadows, crucial for high-contrast environments. Customizable white balance and ISO settings. Provides complete control over exposure and color balance. Best camera settings for professional results. To get the most out of your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, here are the optimal settings to use. 1. Frame rate and shutter speed. Stick to 24 FPS for a cinematic look. Use the 180-degree rule. Shutter speed equals 2x frame rate, meaning 24 FPS equals 1/48s shutter speed. 30 FPS equals 1/60s shutter speed. 2. ISO and exposure. Keep ISO between 100-1600 for clean footage. Use manual exposure in well-lit environments to avoid flickering or overexposure. 3. Using ND filters. ND filters help maintain proper shutter speed under bright conditions. Recommended ND filter levels. ND8 for slightly bright days. ND16 for sunny conditions. ND32 for extremely bright outdoor scenes. 4. Stabilization modes. Rocksteady Plus. Best for general stabilization. Eliminates shakes effectively. Horizon balancing. Ensures perfectly level shots, even in high-motion scenarios. Boost mode. Ideal for high-intensity action scenes. Battery life and storage solutions. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is its long battery life and internal storage options. Battery life. Lasts up to 4 hours on a single charge, outperforming most competitors. Fast charging. USB-C charging allows quick power-ups. 47 gigabytes internal storage. A game changer for emergencies when you forget your microSD card. MicroSD card support. Requires high-speed UHS-2 cards for optimal performance. Must-have accessories for vlogging and action filming. If you're serious about vlogging or creating high-quality content, consider these essential accessories. 1. Vlogging tripod with built-in battery. Extends battery life up to 7 additional hours. Functions as a handheld grip and tripod. Integrated buttons for remote control. 2. External microphone adapter. Enables connection to professional-grade mics. Improves audio clarity significantly compared to built-in microphones. 3. Waterproof housing. Enhances durability for extreme underwater conditions. Prevents water pressure distortion at deep depths. 4. Magnetic mounts and clamps. Easily attach the camera to bikes, helmets, cars, and more. Quick release mechanism for efficient transitions between shots. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro worth it? The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an absolute powerhouse for both casual users and professional filmmakers. Its combination of incredible video quality, long battery life, internal storage, and ease of use makes it a standout choice in the action camera market. If you're serious about capturing stunning visuals, whether for adventure sports, vlogging, or cinematic projects, this camera delivers on all fronts. Would you buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Technology Review for more in-depth tech content.